The common name snapdragon originates from the flower's reaction to having their throats squeezed, which causes the mouth of the flower to snap open like a dragon's mouth. It is native to the Mediterranean region from Morocco and Portugal, north to southern France, and east to Turkey and Syria. They often grow in crevices and walls. SONNET mixed snapdragons produce tall, fragrant flower spikes in white, yellow, and multiple shades of pink and red. Each sturdy, well-branched plant sends up one main central bloom, soon surrounded by long-stemmed flowering side shoots. SONNET snapdragons bloom well in spring or fall, adding beautiful vertical interest to borders and containers with no staking required. Long-lasting as cut flowers and attractive to hummingbirds and bees. Snapdragons grow in any slightly acidic garden soil, however they do not grow well in unamended clay. The plants require full sun and moist soil. A second crop of flowers may be obtained from plants that have finished flowering. Cut them back to within 5 or 6 nodes of the ground when the first flowers fade. Fertilize when the second crop of flower buds become visible. Plant snapdragons in a partly shaded area to complement foliage perennials such as licorice plant, salvia, petunia, and hostas. You can plant newer cascading varieties in window boxes with other cool season flowers such as pansies. The flowers and leaves of snapdragon have been used as traditional herbal medicine for treating several symptoms and diseases, including watery eyes, gum scurvy, hemorrhoids, ulcers, liver disorder, and tumors.